Hey everybody, it's Greg Tepper from the Tepper Group at Keller Williams, and today we are at 77770 Military Road, also known as Highway 21 in Bush. This is a fixer-upper. It's on 4 acres, it's a big house, it's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. Really cool thing about it is if you see above me, right up there, it has a huge walk-in attic, which is already framed out to make the house even larger. So we're gonna turn around and check it out. It's in fixer-upper condition. I'm gonna show you why. Let's go. So you can see right here, that's a detached 2-car garage. And the lane goes further back into the woods, as you can see. So here's obviously the front of the house, nice porch, metal roof. On the right side, you've got more woods. It's a buffer between the properties. As I mentioned, it's 4 acres. I'm going to go through the front door. All right, so we just walked in the foyer of the house. This is an updated laminate floor. And the house, everything else is going to be original. Nice open country kitchen, wood burning fireplace. I'm going to go right into what needs to be fixed primarily. It needs to be updated, yes. Double oven, cooktop, but you've got the bones to make this happen. So there's an expression, let's put the skunk on the table and talk about it. So that's what we're going to do. You've got a caved-in floor right there. Without going into technically what happened, you can ask us, call, text, email, whatever works, and I'll give you the lowdown on that. This is a fixer-upper for professionals only, all right? For those who aren't intimidated by something like that, because it's totally fixable, 100% doable, so it doesn't happen again. You just have to know what you're doing. So that's one side. That's another living room. That's a dining room. That joins this foyer area right here. So this original room that had the fireplace, that could be a dining room. You've got some nice space to do some things with. Coming down this hallway, one thing to note on this side of the house, from the middle of the house over this side, the subfloor has been replaced so it doesn't happen like it happened on the other side. You've got bedroom there. Bedroom 2. Bedroom 3. All with nice sized closets. Here's the hall bath, 2 vanities, tub, commode. And look, it's cool when you do a renovation. Keep an element from the original house. It just kind of signifies, that it has been redone. And this tile with the color scheme that's popular today, that would be a cool thing to leave behind. This is the master. Now, it's an older home, so dimensions are different nowadays. And that's the master bath, so it's quote unquote en suite. However, if you wanted to leave that as it is and just make that a suite, or whatever you want to do, we are now walking into the attic. And you see we've got 2x4s already set up. And yes, we have a lot of storage up here. But you can see we've got doorways, we've got walls. You have a whole nother house upstairs ready to be finished. If you're looking for an improvement project, okay, and you're already fixing downstairs, you might as well do the upstairs as well and just bump it out. You can run plumbing. You've got electricity already going, all right? I mean, come on. This is awesome. And then this is still storage. So you already have central heat. It's gas. And I'm going to sign off here. Well, no, actually, let's keep going. Let's take a look outside. The land is always my thing. I always love looking at the land. So coming off, that's the back door. That was in the kitchen. Here's the backyard. And again, the land goes off that way for your 4 acres. Because on over there, through that little passage, there's a neighbor's property. Propane is the gas supply, and the land also goes off that way. So you've got a cleared area, but yet you have a nice buffer too. Come check it out. Again, we can go into more detail as to what's going on, how to fix it. I'm not a contractor, but I've seen a lot of homes, a lot of fixer-uppers. We know what to do. So let us know. Call, text, email. This is Greg Tepper from the Tepper Group. Realty is stranger than fiction. Remember that. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.